Welcome everyone. Do you think listening and hearing are the same things? Any suggestions, any opinions? What do you say? Absolutely. You are right. It's not same. And these are totally two different things. Today in class, we are going to work on listening, and before we proceed to what we have to do, I want you to give some tips regarding some problems related to listening and how to manage them, right? So when you are doing your tasks, when you are doing your activities, you have those tips in your mind, feel relaxed and just enjoy your task, okay? First of all, the first thing, what we have to keep in mind, that listening is a skill. Like any other skill in the world, playing soccer, playing piano, listening is a skill too. And we don't become perfect in a day or just by reading the rules or the ways how to perform. So how can we become an expert? We become an expert only when we practice, right? So practicing listening is really important. Before we start our activities, I have to say something like, have you ever noticed that there are times when you find trouble concentrating, focusing on what the other person is saying? It happens, right? You are right, it happens. And normally in class, students just go on mental vacation and they do pseudo listening, and it happens even with the family when we are with them. At times we just pretend that we are listening to our parents or anybody else, but actually we are mentally drifted away, right? It happens. So the thing, we'll talk about it later, how to manage it. The other problem is with listening that we do critical listening. Now what do I mean by critical listening? Critical listening is when somebody starts talking on a topic that we don't like at all. We have our own views and we don't want to listen to the other person, what he or she has to say, so we just shut our mind and we don't want to listen. And the very common example for this kind of listening is when somebody is talking about politics or maybe religion, and you have your own favorite party or something and you don't want to listen to the other person, right? So those are the moments when we just don't want to listen. The third type of listening problem is distracted listening. Now what do we mean by distracted listening? Distracted listening happens when you have some issues. It could be mental, it could be physical. Maybe you are feeling hungry and you can't concentrate on what I'm saying and you are just thinking about eating pizza or eating burgers as soon as this class is over, right? And so the other reasons are, maybe this morning you fought with somebody, you had arguments with somebody, and that is bothering you, that is there to upset you. So that could be a reason you can't focus on what I'm saying. So what happens? You have to be mentally and physically, you have to be present, right? It's not that you are physically present and you are mentally somewhere else, right? Don't do that. So knowing what are the things that hinder our way towards listening, the things that stop us from being good listeners, we have to avoid them. Here I have some solutions to the problems that we have just discussed. The first thing is break your old habits. Knowing, after being familiar with what I just said, why we do that, why we can't concentrate on what the other what the other person is saying, and we have, as soon as you realize that you are not focusing on what the other person is saying, and you know the reason why you are doing that, you have to tell yourself to stop doing it. Okay, so you have to break your habit. Second thing, be mentally and physically present. What we just discussed, that physically you are here, but maybe mentally you are not. And why could you not be here mentally? There could be lots of reasons. Maybe some arguments, maybe something, some accident, somebody's sickness, or maybe your hunger, or maybe you had less sleep. There could be different reasons that can bother you, stop you from concentrating. So be sure you are mentally and physically there. The third thing that you have to do is be fascinated. When you are listening to somebody, be fascinated. And what do I mean by that? You know, our body and brain, definitely they are connected, and we are getting signals from our brain. So what if I'm just relaxed? My brain gets a message that I want to relax, I don't want to focus on anything, right? And what if I'm sitting alert, right? Then my body is sending a message to my brain that to be alert and focus on what I'm hearing, right? So when you pretend to be fascinated, your body is sending a good message to your brain that you are doing something good, you are listening carefully, and you are doing the right thing. Set a goal. Every time you are listening to somebody, you have to have some goal. Like listening to me, you know we are going to work on listening today. We are going to do some tasks, and for that I'm just preparing you mentally, right? So you have a goal there. Now we have two tasks, task 1 and task 2. The first task you have to work in pairs in both tasks. Sorry, for the first one, what you will do is partner A will spell whatever he is going to do after school, any fun thing, any activity, and don't just say it. What you will do is you will spell what you are going to say, and the listener partner B has to listen carefully in order to comprehend what you are going to do today, and then when you finish, he will repeat, this is what you said, right? And then partner B will take a turn and A will listen, right? And while you are doing this, I want you to audio record or video record yourselves using your mobile phones. And then in the second task, I'm going to give you dictation. The dictation we are going to have every time I speak a sentence. First time, if it has 4 words, in the second sentence we are going to have 5, in the third maybe 6, in the fourth sentence more words, right? So every time the sentences will become complex and longer. You don't have to type during while I'm speaking. You have to let me finish and then text that dictation back to me in the group text. You can share it on our WhatsApp group. You have to text me back, okay? And you don't have to fear about anything, no anxiety. Just let's try how good you can listen, how effectively you can listen, and we are going to practice listening. That's the only purpose of today's lesson. So let's begin. Happy listening, and let's start our work. Thank you.